2004 Honda Civic. What we got done on it for you today. It's still got the stock converter up there. Then it's got 1.5 pipe all the way back into a resonator. He didn't want it too loud. He didn't want us to cut that off. And then we put a stainless steel muffler on it right there with 2-inch pipe, and it's dumped. That's how it comes. It's pretty cool looking. Something different. See right there? And right there. There it is from the back and the side. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Boom. Go ahead, bro. There's the old muffler we cut off.